Welcome back, kindergartners. Here we are at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. Today we're going to go over our calendar. We're going to spin for sticks. We're going to do the links. And then we're going to play Spill the Beans. But today we're actually going to make equations. Okay, you guys, let's see. I know that today is Wednesday. What do you guys think this is going to be? We had all of the different shapes. Then we had all the different items that you can find in those shapes. And I think we're back to shapes. Good, I think so too. So if this was a square, do you think we're going to have a cube next? Or do you think we're going to have a circle? Okay, let's find out. A cube, we were right. Good job, everybody. Okay, let's say our date. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Okay, say it with me. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Good job, everybody. A cube. Okay, let's spin for sticks. I better get more. Okay, let's spin. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job, you guys. Wonder how many we're going to get towards the end of the week. We have 2 more days to spin. And we'll find out how many. It sits in the middle a little better. Okay, we were at 64 days yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4. What color link should I get today? A red or a blue? Blue. Good job, you guys, because we don't change until we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why don't you guys count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job, you guys. Thank you. Okay, we get to talk about the shapes. So we're back into regular shapes, but we had this whole group of items, real life items. So I want to go back over what they're called and where else would you find these real life items. So we started out with square. This is a square. Where else would you find squares? Oh, good. The tiles on the floor are squares. Nice job, you guys. Okay, let's look at our next shape. This shape is called a cube. And they showed us a box, but where else are there cubes in our life? Oh, I just heard 2 great cube ideas. We have our linking cubes, and we have dice. So this to me looks like a dice also. But I do see that it looks like a linking cube too. Good job, everybody. Oops. Okay, now a clock. Clock in a circle. Where else do we see circles in our life? A plate. Good job, you guys. It does look like a plate. Although I wouldn't want to eat these numbers. But that was a good one. Plate. Okay, our next one is a sphere. And a ball. Where else do we see spheres in our world? Soccer balls, baseballs. Yep, all kinds of balls are spheres. Good job. Whoop. I knew I was going to end up putting one in the wrong spot. Okay, rectangles. Where else do we see rectangles in our world? Nice, I heard table. My favorite rectangle is a window. Most of the windows are this way, but that's a window. A window can be a rectangle. Okay, now a cylinder. Where else do we see cylinders in our world? I know one that we all see all of a sudden now. The cylinder is kind of the same shape as the wipes that we're using right now, the Clorox wipes, the disinfectant wipes. They're in a cylinder. But my favorite cylinder is a soup can. especially on days like this. Soup is what I crave. Nice job. We've got a couple more. So now our other circle, and this is really the same circle. They're just showing us that there's different types of circles in our world. So where else do we see circles? I see a steering wheel as my circle, or a tire. They can also be circles. Okay, our last one, the cone. Where else do we see cones in our world? Oh, as soon as I said that, the traffic cones, or if you ever got picked up or dropped off in the front of the school, the orange cones in front of the school, they have that kind of shape. They just have a black bottom, or some of them are orange bottoms too. Okay, we have gone through what our shapes are called and where we find them. So our last activity for today is to play Spill the Beans. So today, we're actually going to be writing how many reds and how many whites we see. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put my cups together, I'm gonna shape and spill. Ooh, this is a good one. So we've got 1, 2 of the whites and 3 red. So we would write that 2 plus 3. And how much does it equal? Here's our 2 white beans. Here's our 3 red beans. How much does it equal? Good. I heard a bunch of people say 5, Mrs. Judd. Sorry, you guys. 5. Nice work. Let's play one more time and see if we get a different equation. Oh, we did get a little bit of a different equation. We have 3 white ones and 2 red. So this is pretty close to the equation we had, but we can write it 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job, you guys. Okay, that is it for today, Wednesday. The questions today are find one of our shapes in real life and let your teachers know. So you can do circles, cubes, sphere, cylinder. You guys, I did make one backwards. There we go. Cones, any of the shapes, find one in your life and let your teacher know. And we collected 4 sticks today. So 4 sticks and any shape. Okay, kindergartners, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.